Are you looking for the best tool chest? In this video, we will break down the top 6 tool chests on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Craftsman 4-drawer. This heavy-duty rolling bottom tool cabinet is a really great option to go with for at-home tool storage of epic proportions. This cabinet is made of heavy-duty steel. It helps add to the fact that it really is extremely durable. It has a very high weight capacity of 650 pounds, it can hold a lot of tools, and take a whole lot of beating too. Also, it has a total of 4 drawers that are on ball bearing slide systems for a smooth glide. There are 2 smaller top drawers, 1 middle drawer of medium size, and a large drawer on the bottom. As well, it has a drawer for all of your stuff, whether small parts, hand tools, or larger power tools too. It comes with wheels for some mobility, plus a lock so the cabinet does not roll all over the place by itself while you are at work. After all, it also comes with a keyed locking system so nobody can get their thieving hands on your tools. At number 2. Kennedy Manufacturing 277XB. This is a 7-drawer industrial roller cabinet that is made of a heavy-gauge steel body with a durable powder coat finish. The top surface features raised edges on 3 sides to retain contents. A high-security tubular lock with 2 keys secures all drawers. Drawers feature an internal, automatic locking system. Also, the cabinet includes snap-in ball-bearing drawer slides for smooth operation under heavy loads. Besides, a strong and sturdy design keeps your tool chest working for life. The smooth operating ball-bearing drawer slides range from 120 to 240 pounds. At number 3. Goplus 6-drawer. It is made of high-quality cold-rolled steel. This tool cabinet can be more durable compared to others made of common materials. And it is painted with glossy anti-rust and corrosion-resistant paint, which can be used both indoors and outdoors. And because of this feature, it is also very easy for you to clean. Also, this tool is equipped with 4 small drawers, 2 large drawers, 2 trays, and 1 big bottom cabinet. Different sizes of drawers could suit different tools, which allows you to store all kinds of tools. The design of this tool is creative. The whole storage cabinet could be detached into 2 boxes, which allows you to use them separately or together according to your requirement. As well, the top chest drawers are secured by a keyed external locking system to protect your tools from being stolen and ensure your tools safe. And with the steel construction, which makes the cabinet more stable. Furthermore, it features 4 swivel casters that allow quick and easy movement, and 2 brakes help keep your tool cabinet in place. Also, there is a handle on the side of the tool cabinet for convenient control of the rolling cabinet. At number 4. Keter 240,762. The polypropylene construction of this model makes it both durable and lightweight, 2 important features if you plan on using this chest indoors and out. It won't rust or dent as metal products can, and at just 26 pounds is less of a hassle to maneuver than heavier models. Also, its 16 removable storage bins make it great for those who have a lot of small fasteners, washers, and accessories to organize, and dividers allow you to customize it to your specific needs. A central locking mechanism keeps the drawers securely closed, preventing them from accidentally falling open during transport. Overall, it is perfect for any kind of project like DIY projects, home improvement, auto mechanics, and more. At number 5. Milwaukee 4822 8510 8520. This tool chest design is kind of like the Rolls-Royce of tool chests. It has everything a hobbyist or professional craftsman could ever want or need and is finished to an exceptional standard. Also, it is crafted from 20-gauge steel. It features 16 separate drawers, 7 small, 6 medium, and 3 large. It provides more than enough space to hold all of your equipment. The drawers include a soft close function for a smoother feel, while the lid features gas struts for improved safety when opening and closing. In addition, it has a shelf, tray, and pegboard for better tool organization and sports a textured powder coat paint finish that's resistant to corrosion. On top of that, it's fitted with power strips and a computer drawer that can be used to charge your tools or laptop. At number 6. Craftsman CMSD82765BK. This is a 26 inches wide 4-drawer rolling tool chest. It is crafted from heavy-duty 24-gauge steel, it's built to last, and is a real workhorse in the garage. Also, the cabinet features 4 separate drawers capable of holding 50 pounds each. The drawers are also fitted with ball-bearing slides that provide easy access. The cabinet is capable of holding 500 pounds in total and can be effortlessly moved about thanks to sturdy wheels that can swivel and lock. As well, it also features a key locking system to protect your tools.